shopping for clothes. Hello, and welcome back to our English learning series. Today, we are going on a trip. We are going shopping for clothes. The seasons are changing. Summer is over and autumn is here. The air is getting cooler and the leaves on the trees are turning yellow and brown. I need to buy some new, warmer clothes for the new season. Before I go shopping, I always do one important thing first. I look inside my closet. I want to see what clothes I already have. I have many t-shirts and shorts from the summer, but I do not have many warm clothes. I see that I need a new sweater, a good pair of jeans, and maybe a warm jacket for the really cold days. I also decide on a budget. A budget is the amount of money I plan to spend. It is a good idea to have a budget, so I do not spend too much money. My budget for today is $100. I write down my list. 1 sweater, 1 pair of jeans, 1 jacket. Now I am ready to go. I go to the big shopping mall in the city. The mall is a great place to shop because it has many different stores all in one place. It is warm and bright inside. I see stores for shoes, for books, for electronics, and of course, many stores for clothes. I decide to go into a large clothing store first. When I walk in, a friendly woman who works there smiles at me. She is a shop assistant. She says, "Hello, welcome. Let me know if you need any help." I smile back and say, "Thank you, I'm just looking for now." Just looking is a good phrase to use when you want to look around by yourself first. The store is very organized. There is a section for men's clothes and a section for women's clothes. I walk to the men's section. I see rows of shirts, pants, and sweaters. My list says, I need a sweater first. I look at the sweaters. There are so many colors. I see red sweaters, green sweaters, and gray sweaters. I like the color blue, so I look for a blue sweater. I find a beautiful dark blue sweater. I touch it. The material is very soft and feels warm. I think this one is perfect. Now, I need to find my size. I look for the small white tag inside the sweater. The tag shows the size. I see sweaters in size: small, S, medium, M, and large, L. I usually wear a size medium, so I look for an M on the tag. I find one, but I want to be sure it fits well. I need to try it on. I look for the shop assistant again. I ask her, "Excuse me, where are the fitting rooms?" She points to the back of the store and says, "They are right over there, on the left." "Thank you," I say. The fitting room is a small, private room with a curtain and a mirror. I go inside, close the curtain, and try on the blue sweater. I look at myself in the mirror. It looks great. It is not too big, and it is not too small. It fits perfectly. I am very happy with it. I decide to buy it. Next on my list, a pair of jeans. I leave the sweater on a hook in the fitting room and go to the pants section. I see many different styles of jeans. I want a simple pair of dark blue jeans. I find a pair that looks good. I check the size on the tag. For pants, sizes are often numbers. I find my size and take the jeans. I go back to the fitting room to try them on. The jeans fit very well too. They are comfortable. I have found a sweater and a pair of jeans. Now I only need a jacket. I look at the jackets. I see a nice black jacket. It looks very warm and has a hood. I look at the price tag. The price tag tells you how much something costs. The jacket is $50. But there is a red sign next to it that says 20% off. This means the jacket is on sale. It has a discount. The price is lower than usual. This is great because it helps me stay within my budget. I try on the jacket in a size medium. It fits perfectly over my sweater. It is warm and comfortable. I will buy this jacket too. I have everything on my list. I take the blue sweater, the jeans, and the black jacket and walk to the front of the store. This is where you pay. It is called the cash register or the checkout. I wait in a short line. When it is my turn, I put my items on the counter. The woman at the cash register is the cashier. She is very friendly. She takes each item and scans the barcode. The computer shows the price. She tells me the total price after the discount. It is $90. This is inside my budget of $100, so I am very happy. The cashier asks me, "How would you like to pay?" I say, "With my card, please." I pay using my credit card. The machine makes a small sound. The payment is complete. The cashier folds my new clothes neatly and puts them into a large shopping bag. She also gives me the receipt. The receipt is a small piece of paper that shows what I bought and how much I paid. It is important to keep the receipt. I take the bag and say, "Thank you, have a good day." "You too. Enjoy your new clothes," she replies. I leave the store feeling happy and successful. I bought everything on my list and I stayed within my budget. The cool autumn weather can come now. I am ready with my new warm clothes.